Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on a TCL Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to pick our language, and you can do it while using your remote, and probably all of the buttons we'll need is arrow up, arrow right, arrow down and arrow left, and also OK in the middle. So now we can go down and pick whichever language we like. We're gonna go with English. Then we can select our region, and in this case let's go for whatever, maybe Ireland. Now we can set up our Google TV, so that means we can log into our Google account to basically get all of the apps that are quite necessary for Smart TV. But in this case I'm just gonna go with setup basic TV in case you don't want it, you just can go with that. Now we need to connect ourselves with the Wi-Fi network, and not ourselves, the TV. So I'm gonna go with this one. It seems that this specific TV does support the 5G, so that's good. And here you can read through different terms of service, play terms of service and privacy policy. If you want, you can read through it, and afterwards we'll need to accept to them if we want to use this TV, so I'm just gonna go with accept anyway. Then we can read this introduction, did you know, but I'm not gonna do it, I'm just gonna go with got it. Then there's again terms of service, in this case from Google, and we can accept to use the location and help them improve Google TV by sending their diagnostic information to Google. I'm gonna accept it, whatever. And here we can choose if this TV will be set in our home or in the store. In this case, let's go for home and channel installation. So if you want to use channels in your TV, you can scan automatically with your antenna, and in this case I'm gonna skip it because I don't have antenna set. Now we can again accept to another user agreements. Cool, agree. Automatic updates, if we want to allow them, click on allow. If no, click on no thanks. In this case I'm gonna go with no thanks. And here we need to pair our remote, and remote on display looks a bit different than mine, but all we have to do is click on home button and OK. So if you have this same remote, home button is located right here and OK is in the middle, so click on both of the buttons and hold them, or actually please press and hold OK. And now our TV is basically set and ready to go, and the cable just disconnected, so it just shut down, sorry for that. And that will be it for this video. Hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.